This is Kevin from ControllerWorks, and this video is on how to customize your split keyboard powered by QMK. And we're going to be using the Mini 42 from ControllerWorks. So a lot of people, when they first get the keyboard, they ask me, well, where's the reset button? Where's the reset button? Well, the reset button is right here. It's by the TRS connector, but you want to avoid pressing that. It's pretty delicate. And the keyboard is already loaded with GUI key mapping support. So you want to start out reading the documentation. You can go to docs.controller.works. That's specifically for these keyboards, Mini 42 and Mini 36. You can also read the QMK firmware documentation at docs.qmk.fm. And if you don't want to read the documentation, if you just want to get going, you can go to usevia.app, and you'll get a little screen like this. You click Authorize Device, select ControllerWorks Mini 42, and then click Connect. And what will happen is it'll bring up your key map. Here are the layers right here, and you can just select the key that you're interested in, remap it, and it happens on the fly. So you don't have to reload the firmware at all. It's already in there. If you have a Mini 36, it's probably been preloaded with different firmware called Via with an L, and a similar thing. Has a little bit more features. You can configure tap dance. A lot of people are using home row mods or other fancy things. So you can set your tapping term here. So that is Via. If you really want to load your own firmware, create your own firmware, you can use the QMK configurator. That's at config.qmk.fm. Many people think that this is a Corn keyboard. It has a similar layout, but it is not a Corn. It has a different processor and memory and everything, different matrix layout. You have to select ControllerWorks Mini 42 or Mini 36. You get the key map right here, and now you can build your own custom firmware. You can, if you want to try things out, we do have pre-made firmware on the documentation page. There's lots of things to try out here. And rather than press reset button, you can use the boot magic feature, which is a special key. Boot magic key is the upper left on the left hand unit and the upper right key on the right hand unit. What you do is you unplug the USB, you hold down that key, plug the USB back in, keep holding it, and you'll hear a little sound in, I'm using Ubuntu here, and then the keyboard pops up as a USB drive called RPI-RP2, and then you just take your .uf2 file that you're interested in, you drag it over, and then the keyboard will reboot. And there you go. That's all you need to do. Thanks a lot.